Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to walk you through a simple step-by-step guide on how to contact Moonpay Support. So here's a simple step-by-step guide on how you can easily contact the Moonpay Support. So open the Moonpay app or go to the Moonpay website, then scroll down to the bottom of the homepage and tap Help Center. Tap Submit a Request or Contact Support. So choose the category that matches your issue, for example payment issues, verification issue, or account issue. They'll fill in the form with your details, name, registered email, and a clear description of the problem, and also attach any screenshot or document if needed. Then tap Submit, then check your email inbox for a response from the Moonpay Support. And also for faster help, always use the same email link to your Moonpay account when contacting support. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. Turn the notification button and subscribe for more guide.